Are you tired of your ums and uhs when you read your scripts? Let AI cut the scruff and fluff with a click. In this video, I want to present Descript's revolutionary AI feature called Edit for Clarity. It instantly identifies and removes filler words, long tangents, and non-essential chatter. Say goodbye to tedious trimming of raw footage. Just click and let AI seamlessly refine your interviews, podcasts, videos, and more. Make your best ideas and most compelling moments shine through crisp and clear. To get started, go to this website called Descript.com. I have the link mentioned in the description of this video. If you don't already have one, click sign up on the right to create a free account. When you're inside, you're going to be greeted with this simple menu where you can see your projects, quick recordings, some tutorials on Descript, AI speakers, and templates. I'm going to go to my private workspace where I can see all my recordings. Here, when you click the new button, you can add a new video project, audio project, or remote recording project which is in beta. In this video, I want to show you how I can use Descript's Edit for Clarity feature to improve the quality of this simple 1-minute script I created using Cloud AI. I made a script about how a puppy can improve your mental health, and when I read it, I made quite a lot of mistakes. How a puppy can boost your mental well-being. Feeling stressed, anxious, or down lately? Bringing a furry bundle of joy into your life? Well, as you see, I have stuttered quite a bit and I have repeated some words as well. But luckily, I have Descript to help me out. So I'm going to click Video Project right here and click Upload a File and upload that small video recording of Puppy. Here you can see the progress of Descript transcribing that video into text. Alright, now I have all the text from that video including all its errors. How a puppy can boost your mental. There we go. If you see in the bottom here, you can see the length of the video is around 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Alright, now that we have all the text to work with, I'm going to go to this section called Actions and click on Ask AI. And this is where we are presented with the option to edit for clarity right here. When I click on Edit for Clarity, it's going to edit this down to remove any speech disfluencies, repeated sections, and tangents that distract from the core ideas. And I'm going to click Enter on that. And now here AI is thinking and analyzing that script and figuring out which parts of that script might have issues. And just like that, we have all the issues marked with some strike-throughs. Here you can see it has marked that section, your mental, which I repeated. Then I said feeling stressed instead of feeling stressed. Then I used the word fluffy instead of furry. And as you can see, it has mentioned a lot of these mistakes that I might have made. Now here you have a few options. You can either apply these edits directly onto the script, or you can start over if you think it did not do a good job. Or what I like to do, I like to copy the edits onto a new composition so the original text generation stays in place and I work with a new composition with some of these edits. So I'm going to click Copy Edits to a new composition and I'm going to name this Edited Puppy. And now I'm going to see what it does. If you look at the bottom, it says 1 minute 52 seconds, down from 2 minutes 17 at the start. Now let me play this. How a puppy can boost your mental well-being. Feeling stressed, anxious, or down lately? Bringing a furry bundle of joy into your life might be just what you need. Studies have shown that owning a puppy can significantly improve your mental health in several ways. Now, as you just heard, it removed most of the repetitions and errors that I made in the first paragraph, and it also identifies areas where I might have cleared my throat, but it did not strike them out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those areas where I cleared my throat. Maybe one here and some here. All right, let me hear it again. How a puppy can boost your mental well-being. Feeling stressed, anxious, or down lately? Now, after listening through the whole recording, you can identify each of these strike-throughs and see which ones are worth deleting. And every time you want to delete them, all you do is to click on them and click this button called delete. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these mistakes. And now, as you see here, our script looks a lot cleaner and the final time is 1 minute and 35 seconds, down from 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Now, I've also noticed that when I'm reading this script, I am speaking quite slowly, and I don't think it's the right speed for most social media channels, which expect you to speak a bit faster. So I'm going to click on this playback speed button in the bottom and increase the speed to 1.25x. And now I'm going to play it again. How a puppy can boost your mental well-being. Feeling stressed, anxious, or down lately? Bringing a furry bundle of joy into your life might be just what you need. Alright, I think that sounds much better, but I hope you understand the power of this Edit for Clarity feature. If I'm doing long recordings and I make a lot of mistakes, editing can get quite tedious, and here I can use this feature to remove most of my errors, maybe 90% of them, and work on the final 10% on things like improving the speed or removing any places where I clear my throat or things like that. But I think overall, this feature is a lifesaver for saving time. And now when you click on this copy link, you can get this link and share the final result with anyone you want. Alright, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you got some value from it, and if you did enjoy it, make sure to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will also leave a link to Descript on the description so you can sign up and try this Edit for Clarity feature for free. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.